Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Rahmatia Widiani. My SRN 18340041. I'm from B class. Now, I want to answer some question in speaking of interactive class. Okay, the first question. How is your opinion about academic students? In my opinion, academic students are students who only pursue cum laude IPK and will only focus on the target to pursue perfect grades, go to class, listen to lectures, do assessment and repeatedly with some routine. However, there are the advantage and various kind of shortcomings of academic students include the nature of academic people. When they go down or go directly to the community, they tend to be more selfish. They act indifferent because of lack of awareness to sensitivity to the surrounding environment. That is not found in the organization. They are more prone to strike or angry when something happen things that are out of control because their environment does not teach or practice how to act and behave when something unexpected happen. They are also less able to position themselves. For example, when talking to opponent or their interlocutors, they cannot promote language that it must be used when the way with ordinary people or intellectual who only understand scientific terms. While the advantage for academic students, their studies are not straight, but structured. So to get a cum laude IPK is not a must, not even easy to get them. Okay, and the next question, how is your opinion about activist students? In my opinion about activist students who are active in a variety organization, their activist students are sometimes too serious in their organization, so that they forget their initial goals, forget about college assessment due to lack of time management. Activist students are the same as academic students who have a variety of advantage and disadvantage. Students who tend to be active in the organization or better known as student activists also have a variety of advantage and disadvantage, including positive aspects. As a student, the end result of their education at the university is ready to go and serve the community because they are already trained to do that when they are involved in the world of organization. They are also easy to understand one's characters because their habits blend the same as in the organization. They also understand the problem and also how to solve it if things happen they are not desirable. Negative aspect of activist student is in fact most of their college student activists are stuck because they have not thought the end result of my lecture is to belong to the community. So I don't need to get IPK award. The important thing is that I can solve the problems that exist in the community. How can I criticize the government and etc. Then from that their student activists are more likely to be concerned about time. Okay, and the last question. Which one do you prefer between academic or activist students and explain? Okay, do I like and I want to be a student with cum laude of IPK? So I forgot how happy I feel when mingling with others. Or become a student who is experienced in the field but lack in theory? I think I like and I need to balance between academic achievement and experience. We need to be an academic student who understands various theories so we can graduate on time and get IPK according to our and our parent expectation. And we also need to be activist students to add experience to various social phenomena so that we have been trained in various kinds of community behavior when one day we really go straight. But how can we balance the two fairly? And then one way is to divide evenly between the two. Okay, in our organization, we don't need to stand out so much that we forget about college because we are to focus in various activities organized. But sometimes we are academically active students and we often encounter various schedules that clash between the two. And the solution is that if we feel organized, activities are active are more important than academic activities, then we need to sacrifice our academic sometimes. There are activities related to our academic more important than the organization, so we have to sacrifice our organization. Of course, as students, we already know which one are more important for us. And then their knowledge can be used when carrying out activities as activists by providing advice and solution to problems faced by themselves and others. Okay, I think enough and I apologize if there are any mistakes and wrong pronunciation. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.